Hey everyone! Using Median.co is the most efficient way to turn your Emergent AI web project into a professional Android app. By wrapping your live URL, you ensure that any AI updates you make in Emergent are reflected in the app instantly, without needing to rebuild the APK. So let's get into it. Step 1. Get your Emergent app URL. Inside your Emergent AI dashboard, click the Deploy button. Once the process, about 15 minutes, finishes, copy the provided live URL. Using a live URL is better than a zip file because it allows for automatic over-the-air updates. Every time you prompt Emergent to change your app, those changes go live in your APK immediately. Step 2. Initialize in Median.co. Navigate to the Median.co website and paste your URL into the website URL field. This initializes a native WebView container. In 2026, Median's engine is optimized to remove web-like lag, making your Emergent AI app feel like it was built natively in Java or Kotlin. Step 3. Branding and customization. Upload a 1024 by 1024 pixel image for your icon. Median will automatically generate the multiple icon sizes required by various Android versions. You should also configure a splash screen here. This masks the initial loading of your web content, providing a seamless app-like experience from the second the user taps the icon. Step 4. Enable native plugins. If your Emergent app requires special hardware access, like the camera for scanning or biometrics for login, enable these in the Native Plugins tab. Median uses a JavaScript bridge that allows your Emergent AI code to communicate directly with the phone's hardware using simple JavaScript commands. Step 5. Generate and install. Go to the Build tab, select Android, and click Build. You will receive an email with your APK file. To install it, you must go to your phone's Settings, Apps, Special App Access, Install Unknown Apps, and toggle the permission on for your browser or file manager. Comparison of conversion methods. Recommendation. I highly recommend using Median.co for most users. Because Emergent AI is an iterative platform where you'll likely want to add features frequently, the automatic update feature of a live URL wrap saves you from having to manually build and reinstall a new APK every time you make a change. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.